Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to fix up a golf cart. Start by safety first. Disconnect the battery and wear gloves. Walk the cart from front to back and note any obvious damage. Use a checklist for tires, brakes, steering, lights, and battery health. Keep basic tools like a multimeter, socket set, and grease gun on hand. Small upgrades like seat covers and tires improve comfort and value quickly. In this video, I will explain how to fix up a golf cart. Begin by testing battery voltage with a meter and inspect water levels in flooded cells. Clean terminals and apply protective grease to prevent corrosion. If cells read unevenly or show low specific gravity, plan for replacement in matched sets. Keep charger settings, correct and maintain charge after use to extend battery life reliably and safely. In this video, I will help fix up a golf cart. Focus on mechanical basics like lubrication, belt tension, and brake adjustment. Tighten loose bolts, inspect motor brushes, and replace worn belts. Grease suspension points and verify steering free play is minimal. When in doubt, photograph assembly locations before disassembly to aid reassembly. Routine mechanical care prevents larger failures and keeps your cart running smoothly on every ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.